The Alpha College of Arts and Commerce in Nongpoh concluded their final day of the Recreation Week on the 1st of November 2022. In the festive event, MLA Meral Bons Aim and MDC Balajit Rani were invited to be part of the celebration. The students showcased their talents in dance and music, which filled the day with excitement. MLA Meral Bons Aim delivered a speech in which he expressed gratitude for being part of the celebration and encouraged the students to display their talents. He added that Alpha College of Arts and Commerce is an esteemed college, which is a source of knowledge. Meral Bons Aim also contributed to the institution, which concluded the celebration of the day.
To say, Kongpla, you have been through many challenges, many ups and downs in your life, many difficulties to thick and thin in your life, but today you have succeeded. From the lower level of the school to the UP, secondary, higher secondary, now there is Alpha College of Arts and Science. Who would dream that this day will happen? But you have a dream, your family has a dream, Kong W. Kebla has a dream, Pastor Keri Harpdeng has a dream, Ba'ar Pibla has a dream, all your family members have a dream that this educational institution will come out beautiful. And I am proud to say, as a legislator of Nongpoh, that this educational institution that has been produced so many students, bright students, it is here in the heart of Nongpoh. And I wish that each and every one of you, you are like a family. Shillong kum kaying kasem ulabushi. You are like a family. Marong ni lagi jong kaying kasem. Marong ni. Mana bung ni lagi jong ime ipa men para kaying kasem. Marong ni. Bagi kuah bagolong ni kelong sem ke dumi. Kanang kiu sotang sakmat. Yinlong kibril kibadan akor berurang jikit bril jikit. That's why the family of Alpha, we wish all the best. Blindon rengkat nangyan nagpor sa kapor, ifnangkiw na kuwi kerdan sa kuwi kerdan. Kipun samla gibi, kibadan hagani kapor. I'm so sorry for students who cannot understand Kasi. Allow me to speak in Kasi. There are a few quotes that I would like to quote. Kajing keren kabapang nam, kabapang nilong inspired, kajing keren yung mundung sosotam. Kung sama akong tama, yun kenal. Mi samla akmat yung ti, mapintip siya nawan ay. Udon klur walang yung ti, im gakerten sa kanal. Ikwa. Kikun samla yung gadong katang yung ni, anong po area hari boy waro kami. Jadi bandan kajing mut kapaskan. Udon klur walang yung ti iti. Banggai iti bukin poi sa thong bukin jinjo. Nega syong hanga pipan. Kumno bangin but niya may kaitiyan. Iba lailam nigi. Bangin poi sa thong bukin jinjo. Nagkabantay sa bilang.